Hi, previously I bought the Generation 1 Osmo Pocket about 5 years ago. With the big update on the Osmo Pocket 3, I decided to buy it to see how much it has improved. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creative Combo I purchased is now here, and I'm so excited. Let's unbox this and see what comes in this Creative Combo package. With so many accessories that come with it, I thought the packaging was relatively compact. Open up the box, it's packed full of stuff. This just shows how many features DJI packs in this small combo. Open up the first item, looks like the protective cover for the Osmo Pocket 3. It feels more solid compared to the cover for the first generation. Within the protective cover, I see two designated magnetic slots for the wide-angle lens and the black promise filter. It's worth mentioning that the black promise filter is not included. I will have to purchase it separately. Next, let me open up this carrying bag. It's smaller than I expected. I'm so impressed. It's basically the size of my hand. I do like that the material feels quite premium. And it seems they use a waterproof zipper for this carrying case. It also has a loop at the end if you need to hang it up somewhere. The carrying bag is obviously well designed. You can see how many items they managed to fit into this small case. Let me remove the items and I'll go through each of them. This is a DJI Mic 2 windscreen to plug into DJI Mic 2 transmitter to filter out the wind noise. Next, I see the DJI wrist strap, probably for me to attach to the side of the camera. And this is a DJI Pocket 3 handle. This is a great addition if you think the Pocket 3 is too small in your hand. It comes with a 1/4-inch thread at the bottom to attach to a tripod. With this combo, I also found an Osmo mini tripod. This feels solid and compact. This is a great tabletop tripod for indoor use, or if you want to attach it for a better grip. And then this is the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle. It's great that now I don't have to worry about my camera running out of juice. If I need to, I can also get one more so that I can film for a long time. I really love the flexibility I can have with this creative combo. The next item is the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. The transparent casing of this transmitter is stunning. I can easily attach this to my shirt with the clip or use the clip magnet that comes with this package. I love that when I can have multiple options. And here is the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. This little thing has a powerful magnetic field. Once attached, it's not easy to be pulled off. Good to know my Mic 2 transmitter can stay secure when I use it with this clip magnet. To remove it, you can slowly slide it to the side. Next, this is the Osmo Pocket 3 wide-angle lens. This lens is magnetic, so you can easily attach it to get a wider field of view. Lastly, let's look at this beauty. This DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a marvelous vlogging device. Look at this close-up, and you can tell this is a flawless, well-crafted camera. Removing this protective sticker is the 2-inch rotatable screen. It's going to be so much easier to film with this camera. Twist it and the camera turns on instantly. Wow, this is so easy to use. I guess now it's time for me to set it up before I can show you more of what this camera can do. By the way, this creative combo also comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable if you need to connect it to other devices. So after setting up the camera, I decided to bring it along to test it out when I took my dog to the park. I did have to buy a new micro SD card for the camera to work because apparently my older card were too slow and not compatible. The one I ended up using was the SanDisk Extreme Pro micro SD card. I will link it in the description area for you in case you are planning to purchase this camera. With my older micro SD card, it would give me a warning telling me it was not compatible and the camera may stop recording. I'm guessing because the writing speed on my older micro SD card was not fast enough. Also, it was quite challenging to install the micro SD card. For a second, I thought something was wrong with my new camera. Instead, you have to push really hard to get the card to click into place. You may need to use a tool if you don't have a long fingernail. If you are wondering why you are not hearing any environmental sound, I removed the loud noise from walking on piles of dry leaves. Other than setting it to 4K resolution, HLG HDR, and 0.5 negative on the exposure, everything else was on auto. I'm not a professional in video or vlogging, but I'm quite impressed by the image quality. While walking down the hill on uneven ground, I did notice my video footage looking a little bumpy. Although this is a gimbal camera, I do have to try to keep it stable and maintain a smooth movement to get the best result. I did try the tracking feature while filming my dog, and I was genuinely impressed by it. The tracking didn't miss a bit, even when my dog moved and turned. Okay, I will not bore you with endless insignificant test footage, but if you want me to test out some features, let me know in the comment area, and thanks for watching. Bye!